Welcome back to the vlog. Guys, it's been a minute. Today I thought I'd just pick up the camera. It's Monday. Thought I'd start off the week with a banger. So I've got some fun stuff today. I'm going now to this electric scooter place. Very random, but I did a photo shoot for them back in the day. I think it was like last year, and they've put me all over the shop and they've said come and check it out. So I'm gonna go there, and then I've got around the corner I've got this therapy session for my back. I'm gonna get some cupping just because my body is stiff. I have been in the gym every day this week, and then we're gonna do a chest session. Probably not ideal straight after to get in physio and stuff, but gotta get that content in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah guys, I'm gonna give you a life update. I'm gonna show you a day in the life in Dubai. So guys, this is a scooter which the company gave me last time. It goes super quick, and it's actually really convenient to have in the marina just because it's actually probably quicker to get places than a car. So guys, arrived at the scooter shop. The shop is in Al Quoz. We've got pictures of me outside. Look at this. You can see it there. What are you saying, guys? Does it look like me or no? Crazy. Are you ready, guys? Look who that is. Does it look like me, guys? I'm not gonna lie, the picture needs editing more. For a billboard like this, I need to like smooth my skin a little bit. I think I've got good skin, but maybe not close up. I'm gonna go and get this cupping on my back, which I'll tell you more about. All the time people ask me, what is this, what's it used for, etc. Now you will find out. Yeah, whatever you think needs cupping, so like on my shoulder or... How long have you been here for?
I've been with Toby for about 2 months now. So what cupping does is creates a specific area of pressure. So we're causing a mass blood flow to a specific point. Now, if we look at the layers of skin, we've got layers of skin, then we've got subcutaneous flow, then we have fascia, and then we have the muscle. So by creating an instant vacuum, not only are we lifting the dermis from the skin, we're pulling the fascia off of the belly of the muscle, but also it's almost like a hose. We're bringing blood into that area. Now, when I remove it, that blood's then going to flush the muscle out, which allows me to get into a little bit deeper using manual techniques or scraping or trigger point. The skin's the biggest nerve ending in the body, so as a therapist, what we do is we change the stimulus on the skin to allow us to work deeper or work a muscle in a different way. You know, if you think of a chicken breast, it should be a defrosted chicken breast. Sometimes, especially between the shoulder blade or under the shoulder blade, it turns into a frozen chicken breast. So it should always be able to move and adapt and move around. And if we look then on Max, the issue is coming in his shoulders because this shoulder blade, because this was blocked, wasn't internally rotating or adducting. So therefore putting excessive pressure through the left front shoulder, which is what we're treating at the beginning. Arms out nice and front, palms facing each other this time. Good. Now open the arms, squeezing the shoulder blades together. You should feel that this side now actually glides into the centre line.
Wow.
Nice, man.
Thank you so much, bro. Let's get it. Gotta look after your body, guys. Yo guys, so if you do want to get your body looked at in Dubai, hit up the man. This is the guy.
Joe here at Recovery Rooms. Pleasure treating you, mate.
Guys, so I finished my recovery on my back. To be honest, it's good to work out then get recovery, obviously, but I couldn't really fit it in my schedule today. However, I've got to the Venus gym. There's so many gyms in Dubai. Venus is definitely the best, I'm not gonna lie. But to be honest, I don't train here that much because of traffic and stuff, like getting from where I live to here is just crazy. So basically, I've got my food here from Low Calories right behind me. Got my chicken, mash, broccoli and rice, little workout meal, and then I'm gonna do a chest and shoulders and triceps, so a big push session after. So guys, I'm now on Snapchat. This is my Snapchat, look at this. I have 391,000. In 28 days I got 4.7 million views. Over Snap views, 33 million. mental. So go see what it's all about on Snapchat. Take note of what I do on this session as well, because it's a session I'm going to show, which I think would be great for a post session to feel the pain after. So yeah, no pain, no gain, let's get it. What I'm going to probably do this session, probably not speak so much and just get through my workout, show you a little bit and if I need to speak up, then I'll speak up. Chest, shoulders, and triceps. Well, what's the secret?
Secret training, brother.
What's the secret?
Long time.
Well, look at the difference. Yeah. Where's that? Whoa, mashallah.
Where are you from?
This is my friend from
Colombia.
Colombia. She's from Colombia. Wait, who's in better shape? Wait, she's actually fucking shredded. Comment in the video if you want us to train together. So guys, we're going to be wrapping up this gym session. It was actually not bad. I'm going to do back and arms tomorrow, legs Wednesday, and then I'm going to do shoulders and maybe legs again. So stay tuned. My Snapchat, Instagram. So this is what's crazy about this gym. There's like so many like shops. They've even got a barbers behind me. This is the best thing about Dubai, is convenience, and just they've got everything at your footstep. So we got everything here. And there's the barbers down there, and then there's another food station, and then there's like all of this. Whoa, so we are back at the crib. Let me just show you the view. What a time to be alive. Wow. What a productive day. So I went to check out the scooter place, drop my scooter off, get a little bit of repairs. Like I say, it's very convenient around Marina, as you can see behind me, which I've just shown. Obviously got my back seen to by a specialist, which was amazing. Feeling very loose, and then obviously gym session. I've not been vlogging much just because I've honestly got so much, and doing a YouTube video is a lot of time and effort. YouTube, to be honest, is a passion of mine. I love making content, I love making videos and just getting it out there, inspiring, and just keep having it for memories as well, you know. I want to kind of know what you guys want to see. If you can let me know in the comments, like, do you want to do house tours, villa tours, more about Dubai, more about fitness, more about business? So I've actually started a concierge company as well. It's called Exclusive Sites. The website will be launched very soon, so stay tuned. I'll put that in my bio. I get flights, hotels, yachts, supercars, experiences all in Dubai, even worldwide as well, at very good affordable prices. So hit me up on that. And good exciting news, because I'm launching my one-on-one coaching very soon as well. I've been working with a business coach from America, so my sleeping pattern's been crazy. But I've got to the age where I'm like over like partying, going out. I'm 8 months sober still as well. So anyway guys, probably enough talking for now. Let me just quickly show you my apartment, my update. So I think before I did an apartment tour, we've got this sofa in here now. Obviously that's the view again. We've got this projector which goes onto here. We've got my little son and daughter. So this is actually, but let's just say this is daddy because he's big, and we'll say this one is our son. So this is one of a kind. This is a bear brick. You probably know what that is. These are for my legs for recovery. These are so ugly. I hate these, but you know, I'm only in here till June, and then I'm gonna move out and move somewhere else. So let's see where I go. We've also got the kitchen. Very cool. And guys, this is my room. So the bed is a bit messy right now, but yeah, you get the gist. Got my little happy dad full send cap there, you know. This is, let me just hide my residency. This is my desk. I'm missing a chair, but we're gonna get it. And then this is the other balcony, but at night time. We've got the harbour down here. Yeah, so that is everything for today. In the meantime, guys, again, my Snapchat, it's Max Wyatt, posting all behind the scenes. I'm posting like 50 frames a day, it's crazy. I've also got the tailored nutrition and workout plans, which is on www.coachbymax.com. Then once you sign up, within 24 hours, you will receive your tailored nutrition workout plan. And how that's done, you'll fill out a questionnaire. So we ask you your height, your goals, etc. And then once you have that, you can actually download the app on the App Store and Google Play and download the app. So you can obviously be in the gym, scroll on your phone, just like this, away you go. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see in my next one. Peace.